In my book, it's called Get It Off. Gorgeous! What a gorgeous sight! Oh, bloody heavy! All very well, taking them off in the big sheets. Here, Reese, grab it into this. That's fantastic. Now with this piece coming out, I'm not holding up Reese because he needs to. I'm not holding up the plumber. Reese is the plumber. He needs to lift those taps a bit higher because it's a standalone bath. That's getting done. So now if I start jacking the floor up, because I'm putting a strip drain in there, I won't have any reason, or he won't be held up. I won't be holding them up, and then I can pull that off, and I've got to get this bath out though. That's cool. So anyone want a bath? No, they are obsolete. These old things now, obsolete. So yeah, if I'm able to just slip that along a tad with my Jimmy bar, good old Jimmy. Move it along a bit. Oh, nice, I like the way it's going. Now, I should get in there and cut that pipe.